we will see how to print right angle number triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here, the triangle is aligned in the left side. Here, along with every number, a space character is appended. The numbers are gradually decreasing line by line from 5 to 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So let's type code to print this pattern. We require here two variables, I is equal to 0, k is equal to 5. We are going to use while loop here. While I is less than 5, 5 is nothing but the required number of iterations, and at the end of every iteration we are going to reduce k value by 1 and we are going to increase I value by 1. So here k value will be 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1, and I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the end of fifth iteration, I value will become 5, 5 less than 5, condition is false, and this iteration is going to stop here. To print this type of pattern, we require a nested while loop with a variable called j. J is equal to 0, nested while j less than k, and at the end of every iteration of nested while loop we are going to increase j value by 1. So let's print the result. Print 5 minus j and separate every number with a space character, and after completing the iteration of inner while we are going to use print method to continue the next iteration from new line. So run pytriangle.py file in the terminal. We can see here, this is our required triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see line right angle triangle pattern.